How to do auto edits in PowerDirector. Now, if you don't have a lot of video editing knowledge, you can still auto edit the video by using the AI enhancements in PowerDirector. In order to do that, just simply tap to auto edit and then select the clips which you would like to use in order to auto edit your video. Simply select that and then tap to next button. And after this, it will take a short amount of time to process, and you can select the video's theme from this section. Just simply select what type of video that you want to make. If you want to make a party video, select party from here. If you want to make a birthday video or epic, or you can select multiple options if you want to. For example, if you want party and wedding to match in your video or relationship too, you can make it. Just simply select all of the checkboxes that you want to make and select the video length according to you. What should be the length? Should it be all? Should it be 15 seconds or 30 seconds? Choose accordingly. Then tap to check button, then tap to continue. And after this, your video clips will be loaded and you can select the options into your video to edit your video. Then it will automatically apply the effects in your video according to your needs. After selecting all of the options from here, you can tap to the export button and your video will be saved. So this is how you auto edit the video in PowerDirector. I hope this video helped you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.